Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm here with an amazing store. This I wanted to share with you for a very long time. So today finally we are going to do Coca Cola store walkthrough. So this Coca Cola store is located in Disney Springs at Lake Buena Vista. So it's again the part of Disney, and it's a beautiful big store. And the weather was amazing that day, so temperature is still in between 60 and 70 in Orlando, Florida, and it was a beautiful day. It was cloudy, a little chilly, so I decided to go and have a look at the Coke store and walk around the Disney Springs. So let's go inside and see what they have. So as soon as you enter, you can see they have face coverings required for age 2 and up. So most of the people were following it, and you can see the people are standing right at the entrance, but it was quite busy. This downstairs area is usually busy, so you can see they have attires. So I tried to capture this area as much as I could. They have a lot of clothing here, basically on this floor. On the right side they have some more of the clothing. So they have pajamas. They have pajamas with a Coke mascot on it. That's a polar bear. And you can see they have a lot of t-shirts, and they have a lot of sweatshirts which are from Coke, Cherry Coke, Sprite and Fanta. A lot of their souvenirs are from all four of these Coke products. And of course, Coca Cola is the main and the primary product. And on here in the middle, they have some blankets, some more of the cumulative things that they have all around the store are right at the entrance. They have some of the caps here, which are in different colors, different styles, that says Coca Cola on it. They have some more of the PJs and some more little products. And on the left side here, they have some things you can grab as you leave. They have keychains, they have chapsticks. Everything has Coca Cola written on it. So this is basically the first floor, and here they have elevators where you can go from second and third to the second and third floor. Here I am on second floor. So you can see here they have more of the home decoration stuff and a lot of little things. Here they have a whole table set with kitchen items, wall hangings, and on this side they have some more of the wall hangings which are classic, and they have a Coca-Cola on it, and they have a lot of things written from olden days, so it's really cool. And on here they have some mugs that says Coca-Cola on it. Some of them has the polar bear mascot on it, so it was beautiful. And right next to it they have some tumblers, they have some glass cups. And on here in the middle they have some plates, salt and pepper shaker, they have some buckets, t-shirts, a lot of different things from home items, as well as some of the attires from Coca-Cola. And it was beautifully arranged. And right on the left side they have some metal Coke bottles. So you can see these are little decorative items, and they're very cute, and the colors are amazing. And they have some sippy cups and some more cups for kids. And on this wall they have a lot of tumblers. So tumblers that says Coca-Cola on it, some of says Fanta, some say Sprite on it. So they have a huge collection and different options to choose from. They also have in plastic for children, and they have glasses for your home decorations. And they have some more of the trays, cups, popcorn buckets for your home. And here they have some more of the home decoration items. If you're really into Coca-Cola and want to have Coca-Cola stuff at your house, so be my guest and visit this store, and you can get a lot of nice things. And here they have some more of the home decoration items. They have a lot of magnets for your kitchen. So if you are visiting Orlando and you visit the Coke store, the magnets are the best things to grab on. So here is my most favorite part of this store, is these little items made from the cans. So you can see these are dinosaurs made from the cans. It's so beautifully made, and they have some rhinos and some elephants as well. And on here they have some penguins, a bird, which I absolutely admire. It's a great work. and they have some more of the elephant, rhinos, and the penguins. And here they have some Christmas ornaments made from them as well, which are absolutely beautiful. Great work, whoever did it. So let's move forward. So you can see the store is quite big. It's based on 3 floors, which is huge. So here on this wall they have some Christmas items, Christmas ornaments, some Santa, some decorative items here. And over there they have a separate cashier counter for this floor. And here on this side, this is another amazing thing from this store, are these bottles that you can use as keeping your coins, so you can save money. These are basically banks, bottle banks, so you can give them to your children. They have small, medium, and large size. So here they have some more of the attires. Like I said, the mascot of Coca Cola is a polar bear, so they have every kind of polar bear stuff available here. And they have some blankets, some pillows from Coca Cola, and some of the pillows are shaped as a soda can, some of them are shaped as a bottle cap, which is cute. And they also have some throw blankets, and they have some pajamas, and they all have all these items from, like I said, from Coca Cola, Cherry Coke, Fanta, and Sprite. So if you like any of these sodas, you can go and grab yourself one of the souvenirs and one of the items from those. So over here they have some more of the mugs, and you can see how beautifully they have arranged it and how different sizes and different collections they have. And here they have another table that have random things on it. They have a cap, they have some more of the attires, and some basically cumulative things from all over the store here, which I truly admire, and how people love this, visiting the store whenever they come to Disney Springs. So now we will go to the 3rd floor, and you can see you can have a beautiful view of downtown Disney and Disney Springs. So yeah, they have a walkway, so let's go and see what they have on 3rd floor. So after a bit of a walk, we are here. Let's go. And you can see this is the top floor of this Coca Cola store, and you can see the beautiful view of Disney Springs. You can see the Planet Hollywood, you can see AMC, you can see that beautiful fountain and that hot balloon. So it was a beautiful day to visit Disney Springs, and the view I always admire whenever I come here. So here on this floor they have a seating area, and they have a counter. So here you can order yourself a different taste, different Cokes from all over the world they have. So they give you in little plastic cups, and they give you a whole tray with little in each cup. So you can give yourself a try. You can try how Coke tastes from in different countries. Along with that, you can get Coke floats, you can get different slushies that are made from Coke. They have different drinks made from Coke here, which people are always admiring and enjoying their time here. You can see these kids have that tray with colorful drinks, and people are taking pictures. People are really enjoying their time here. I always love that hot air balloon here that they have. It doesn't fly away, it just stays in one place. In future I will be showing you the walk around that I have from Disney Springs, where you will be able to see a lot of different things they have here and what you can do when you visit Disney Springs. So you can see the orange garage from here too. They have 3 garages: orange garage, lime garages, and the Disney Springs garage. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.